All right, he's all dolled up now and excited. You ready? Okay, first things first, do you actually know how to drive this thing?
Of course, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, turn right though, turn right, turn right. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, press M2 right there.
We go on the beat.
Okay, so quick walk around of the car. This is what it looks like as of right now. You guys can tell the carbon fiber lip is still intact. Side skirts are still intact. The diffuser is still intact. So with that being said, I did a quick walk around just because I wanted to show you guys what the car looks like right now, and hopefully it stays and looks the same way before I actually toss keys and see if this guy won't actually destroy my front lip. Well, too bad. You're gonna change then or what?
Yeah.
All right, go change.
Well, I don't have keys.
Okay, so I definitely caught him by surprise. He did not expect to be driving today. He's gonna go change. He wants to get all dolled up for the video. It is what it is. But yeah, hopefully this is not a mistake. Hopefully me handing the keys over to my little brother is not a mistake, and we can come back with a full intact carbon fiber lip. If not, he's gonna have to buy me one, and I'm gonna let him know that. I'm definitely gonna have to mentally prepare myself, so while he changes, pretty sure, you know, I'll be able to, you know, accept the fact that he's gonna drive it, and let's just see how it goes. All right, he's all dolled up now and excited. You ready? If you break my lip, you're buying me a new one.
I'll buy you two.
He'll buy me two. All right. Okay, first things first, do you actually know how to drive this thing?
Of course, you know what I'm saying?
So you know how to drive DCT?
Yeah, DCT.
What does DCT stand for?
I have no idea.
Okay, so yeah, so adjust the seat, get comfortable, but just be careful of potholes, please. All right, well, let's go.
First,
Emergency breakdown.
Yeah, emergency breakdown. Gotta put it into drive.
Correct.
So
To the right.
to the right and forward.
Yep. Now emergency lights, and we're off. Please wish us the best of luck. We are moving now. Oh boy, oh boy. That guy.
Look good in there.
Yeah? Well, you should save up then. Watch out for those potholes, bro.
Nice and easy, you know what I'm saying?
Nice and easy, or go around.
Or go around.
Okay, first test has been a pass. The biggest thing here is really just watching out for potholes. Once we're on the freeway, it's really just smooth sailing and cruising for the most part, but let's just, you know, let's just fingers crossed, fingers crossed. All right, initial thoughts?
Initial thoughts, I'm saying, drives pretty smooth. I'm still used to the Q50, but
What's one difference from this to the Q50 that you think?
if you lightly tap on the gas, it just goes flying like that.
Yeah, we're gonna go flying if you don't, and we're stuck in traffic. We're actually cruising through Chinatown. It's not the best street ever, but you know, as long as you're, you know, precautious and you're watching ahead of the road, you should be fine. You see there's a big pothole there, but Mr. Sir is actually swerving through them. Okay, another pass, another pass.
Regular to me.
Regular stuff?
Yeah.
If you don't shut up, I'm gonna smack you. So far so good. So we cleared Chinatown. Next stop is through the Broadway, not the Broadway. What is this, Chinatown Tunnel? The Chinatown, aka Stockton Tunnel, to downtown. So he passed Chinatown. Congrats. Some light, he says. All right. Typically, you know, us car enthusiasts, when we go through a tunnel, careful. What's it called? It's game on. We are low gas, but fuck it, send it. I don't know. I think an M4 is a little too much for you, little guy.
I think it's risky.
Okay, so we're officially in downtown now, where there's nothing but traffic, tourists, and some pretty bad potholes. So we're trying to keep a lookout. This is Union Square for you guys. If you guys don't know SF, let's just try to get through this traffic, fill up on gas, and then hit the highway. We are downtown in Market Street, where the intersection is quite frankly the best with these cable cars running through. Oh, let's see what he got. Let's see what he has. Let's see what he has. Come on now. Okay, but what about up front at the hotel? I guess you can say I'm not as nervous as I was at the start. I still got a little bit of that, you know, like what if feeling, but so far so good. I guess he's learned from experience. He's learned from taking notes as a passenger. He swears he's an M4 driver. He swears he's a Beamer boy. So we have been clearing checkpoint by checkpoint. We basically made it through all of downtown, Chinatown, and Yerba Buena Center. And we made it to the freeway. We can officially say we're about to hop on the freeway. So this freeway has a little bump right here, but we cleared. Give them some tips to driving static.
Take it nice and slow, you know what I'm saying?
Easier to drive on the street or the highway?
Highway.
Highway for sure? No, yeah, it definitely is, because it's definitely mostly smooth, unless of course you know there's a big pothole up ahead. But we're gonna take our exit, get some gas, and we'll get back on the road. These streets are just not it. These potholes are definitely not it. Oh man. We're clearing it though, we made it. Someone take this guy's keys, please. I swear. All right, well, let's see just how he does when entering a gas station, because there is a ramp, so we're gonna have to figure out and see if he's actually taking notes and is a true static boy. Oh yeah, angle it, and then we're just gonna have to, it's on my side, but just gonna have to wait behind the charger, I guess. So we just pumped gas, we're hopping back on the highway. If you guys know this entrance, then you guys know how bad it gets up ahead. In and out, weave in and out, like he says, Mr. Static Boy. All right, we're good. We're chilling.
When you have someone telling behind you.
Adios. I honestly almost forgot to put this on, but now that it is on, we're chilling. Watch out for KA band, all right? Let's go. Someone take this guy's keys away, please. Please. He's big chilling now.
Look, they called the chopper on us.
What do you got to say about that?
Windows up.
Windows up, windows up. If you know, you know. Who's man? Oh man, what do you got to say? Windows back up. Clear pass through the highway or back on the street. We're gonna pull over and we're gonna assess the damages, because he had a couple hiccups, but so far so good. Like I said, we'll see what's up. Let him know. Quick tips, pointers, what do you recommend?
Quick tip, you know, always keep your eyes straight ahead. And, yeah, just stay aware, because any bump could fuck you up.
True that. Okay, so we're gonna make a quick pit stop at Safeway. Once there, we're gonna address the front lip, see if it's still there, and if anything else, you know, hasn't flown off yet. Let's see if this guy knows how to park too. But he's cheating because he's gonna be using the backup camera. Let's see, no eyes on the camera. Only mirrors, only mirrors. Only mirrors. Alright. Okay, let's see. Do you think the front lip's still there? Okay, definitely still intact. In one piece. So we're good. Side skirts are still on. Diffuser is still on. You're doing good, you're doing good. So you know we had to do it, right? You know, we got a little hungry with the little test drive. This guy's been taking me all over the spot. Just wait, Sven. It's only right to grab a quick meal. This guy, starving. The driver has to eat? This guy's running on empty when the tank is full. That's crazy. Definitely do not know how I feel about this, but oh my God. Oh my God, bro. You're gonna have to go like so sideways on this. Oh my, bruh. I'm gonna have to just, hold on, I'm gonna get almost splash. God dang. Straight. Go. Go slow for the diffuser. Go, turn right though, turn right. That thing is tucking. Oh, we made it. All right, let's go. Bruh, that thing was the... Did it break? Oh my God, that shit was crazy. We made that. Back on the highway we go. We got our food, we're munching, we're chilling. Let's go make sure we don't bust his lip after that whole drive-through incident. But we made it, we cleared it. We chilling, right? The hardest part, got through that. Let's get it. What a beautiful highway we got right here. Slightly veered to the right though, but we're gonna manage to jump over to the left side and, oh no, watch out, watch out, watch out. Move. Oof, damn. Order up. Order up. All right, go, go. I think someone got real comfortable now. I guess you can say that he passed the test so far. Managed to get out of Chick-fil-A, managed to make it downtown, managed to make it through Chinatown too. Quick review, what do you think?
You know, cool little ride. Much different than the Q50. But it's nice, it's fast.
You're gonna give him a little pull for the video?
Yeah.
Alright, so stay tuned for that one.
Yeah, stay tuned for that one.
But it might blow your hair out.
Nah, more likely yours.
Stick around, so far so good. I guess he's getting a hang for it. That guy. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Alright, press M2 right there. Press it. One more time. Alright. Hold the steering wheel. Nothing in the back, we're clearing the rear?
Yep.
Go.
Woo! Tap them, boy.
Man. Relax, cowboy, relax.
Very powerful.
Easy there, partner, easy there. But yeah, we're chilling, got the feel for the power. Not bad, not bad. I think he passed. Oh man, they found us. Stay. Psych. Don't get scared there. Go slow, go slow. Oh man, what a beautiful neighborhood to drive through with such a low car. Oh man. Beautiful, look at these maneuvers. Bruh. Man. But we're alive, we're making progress. Hills of San Francisco. Ooh, bro. Right.
And this is why you don't get a low car.
And this is why you gotta get used to the lifestyle. Swipe it.
Swipe it.
Alright, alright. Cleared. Maneuver, maneuver, maneuver. Okay, Mr. Static Boy. Come on now. Alright, take it at 60 right now. Fuck, now take a left, bro. We're not going up that hill. Crazy part is we're surrounded by hills in my neighborhood, so we're gonna have to, we gotta go the long way. We are definitely gonna get stuck on one of these hills. Coasting down, swerving, avoiding all and any pothole at whatever cost because we're about rounding down now. If we make it with a lip intact, that guy, go ahead, sir.
Go ahead and take.
Go ahead, just overtake us, man. No rush, no rush. Yeah, I mean, we basically successfully did that. All right, talk to them. Give them the rundown. Is the lip still intact or not?
The lip's still intact, you know. Cool little drive. I'm saying, yeah, it was fun.
You got it now?
Yeah.
He's got it now, he says. But yes, the lip is still intact, thankfully. We just got back home, all safe and sound. My carbon lip is in one piece. And most importantly, my brother got the ropes for the Beamer and driving static. That's the biggest part here, the most important part, I believe. Super fun video. Overall, I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed the ride and everything that came from it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like always, keep it authentic, y'all. Peace.